the Murder Most Unladylike Mysteries and the Guggenheim Mystery. I write mysteries for kids.
Yes, first year at the Literary Festival, so I'm very excited. I can't believe how much excitement there is around reading.
It's a really good atmosphere, and it's so well organised because there's so much to sort out, especially for my session.
Happy to be part of the first day, and the energy was good. I had a very nice audience and incredibly welcoming afterwards at the book signing.
This is day one. It seems amazing. It's so well organised, and everyone is really helpful. And I just had a session, and it went really well. Everyone was really engaged, and it was a really fun time.
As Buzz Lightyear because of the space session that we just saw with the UAE's 2 astronauts and the director of the space agency, and it's been a fabulous session.